How to log in into your Shein account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Shein account. So let's get started. First, open up your Shein. After you open it up, make sure you first installed it and then updated it to its latest version. And after you've done that, tap on the Me section on the bottom right. After you tap on the Me section, you will get redirected to your profile section here, but if you're not logged in, you will see sign in register option here. So tap on sign in register, and this should be your interface right here from where you can log in. Now if you want to log in from your email or phone number, just type that in here, or if you want to continue with Google, you can do that too, or Facebook or Apple account too. So the easiest way would be by continuing it with your Google account, and since I'm already logged in, I will get the sign in option right here. So just log in with your preference, and as you can see, now this will change into your username and you're basically logged in into your Shein account. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.